Hi, I'm Bella Gill, and I'm 30 years old, and I'm from the United States. I chose to study at All That Beauty Academy because I liked their curriculum, and they had a lot of times where I could study. So I could study on the weekend and also on the weekdays. I think the thing that's difficult is that my face is very different to Asian's face. So the way that they do their makeup on their face looks different on my face. But the teachers are very kind and they know a lot of skills and teach you a lot of different techniques. So it's really good. I would say if you're interested in learning about K-beauty, just start because it's that easy. I'm doing it and I'm having a lot of fun.